install fonts in your PC or laptop. Here is a zip file of over 1,000 fonts. I will drop link in description. Now let's extract. Here is the extracted folder. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you if you already did. Now open the folder. Here are 1,079 fonts. Isn't it interesting? Subscribe if it is. And check description below for the font zip file. On your keyboard, press the Ctrl key plus A to select or highlight all fonts. Right-click and select Install or Install for all users. I'll be using Install for all users. Select Do this for all current items and click Yes. Fonts installing. Please support this channel by subscribing. Don't show for remaining items, then click Close. Fonts installed successfully. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Download the fonts file below description and comment. No password in it. Thanks for watching.